There are only a few days left for this month's giveaway, so make sure that you are liking, you're commenting, and you're subscribing to my channel if you haven't done so already. And then make sure you watch the last video I did, which is the Galaxy boards. That way you can enter to win one of those decks. Also, I hope that everybody had a great Christmas. I know I did. I got a good grill over here. I've got a couple of car parts that we're going to install on another video. But today, what we're working on is cutting out this Uncut Skateboard deck right here. As you can tell, it is slightly bigger than a normal skateboard because this is a cruiser style uncut board from DB Skateboards. So we're pretty much going to be making a cruiser style deck. It's going to be pretty much close to a regular size skateboard, but it's just about 2 inches longer. So basically the purpose of this video is if you were to buy an uncut skateboard like this right here, which you can get online, I'll try to leave a link down in the description below. If you were to buy an uncut skateboard and you wanted to turn it into a custom skateboard for yourself, I'm going to teach you how to do it with just some simple tools like this little jigsaw here. It's nothing fancy, nothing crazy. And then like this simple sander or that simple sander. Again, I'm going to try to leave a few links in the description for all the tools that I'm using and where to get some uncut skateboards if you were to do that. I guess let's go ahead and jump into today's video. It's going to be really quick, really short, and then I need you guys to comment down below what design we should do on this. Should we hydro dip it? Should we do another Galaxy paint? Should I hand paint it? Do another Bob Ross paint on it? Let me know what you guys think on what we should do with this blank deck. Because right now it is blank, there's nothing on it other than that DB logo, which I don't really care for. And it is freezing out here, so I'm gonna try to make this as quick as possible and have some fun while I'm doing it. Before I jump into the video, I do want to go ahead and say, no, this is not 100% the most perfect way to do it, but it is going to get you the same results as what you would use with a like drum sander, a bandsaw, or a router. I'm just using a jigsaw and a hand sander. You could also use a file, and you can also use a belt from a belt sander and get the same results. It's really easy, really fun. So definitely, if you get a chance to try this at home, do so. Again, it's not 100% perfect by any means, but it's going to be the easiest way and the cheapest way for you to try this at home, which is exactly why I created this video. When you get an uncut skateboard deck, you're not going to have this cut line here, so you're going to have to create it yourself. Some come pre-drilled, some do not. If yours does come pre-drilled, it's going to be really easy. All you got to do is put a blank deck down, and then you can find the holes, and then you could get a marker and just mark around here, and then obviously on this side it's going to be a little bit longer, so you're going to have to pull it from here, move it down, and do the same thing. But most standard uncut skateboard decks are going to be the same length as this. They're going to be like up here. You're not going to have a wider deck itself. And if you don't have the pre-drilled holes, what you're going to do is just get a blank deck, try to center it as best you can with the concave that's here. Just try to center it with the other concave that's already on the deck, and then again marker around, do this. You could make custom shapes or however you want it, kind of like what Welcome Skateboard does, but I'm not going to. I'm just making this as a standard cruiser. It's probably going to be close to like an 8.7. This is an 8.5, so we'll just see how it goes. And here you have it. This is pretty much the finished deck. I have a little bit more that I could do on some of like the edges right here on like the nose and tail. It's a little bit flat, but what I was doing was rounding out the edges. I don't know if it's gonna focus properly, but I was rounding out the edges so it's no longer square. As you can tell, it's much more round. Same thing on the sides. So it looks more like a skate deck on either side. Really easy thing to do, really fun thing to do. Especially if you've never worked with wood before, it's just pretty simple and pretty easy. So basically all you have to do is get an uncut skateboard, draw the shape that you want. If you want to drill holes, or just wait until you're finished. I prefer to wait until I'm finished, but this one already came pre-drilled, so it worked out. Cut out your shape, and then spend about 30 minutes to an hour sanding on the entire board. I used 50 grit and 220 grit. I'll probably go back again with probably like 600 grit and make it super smooth, but I'm not going to do that until we get ready for painting on the next video. So again guys, let me know in the comments below, what paint should we do with this? Should we hand paint it? Should we do a Bob Ross tutorial? Should we do another Galaxy theme? Hydro dip? Should I try something different? I don't know. I haven't had a lot of experience with painting, but I've been having a lot of fun doing custom boards. So let me know in the comments below what you think I should do, and we'll do it. And then this one will probably be a board that will skate in the future, or it'll be more for just like cruising around, and we could do a giveaway on this deck as well. So again, let me know what you guys think below. I really enjoyed this process. I hope you did too. I know it was going to be short and sweet to the point, and this is going to be a continued video when I do paint it. So just stay tuned for that. But yeah, I hope you learned a lot from this. Like I said, it is pretty simple and straightforward. And it's nice to see it turn out from a square piece all the way up until this piece. Something like this to that. I mean, you can just see. It's just cool. This actually probably used to be over here. Yeah, it's just cool to see the, you know, just a skateboard just hiding underneath. But yeah, you should definitely try this at home if you're able to. I can't remember how much uncut skateboards go for, but I'm sure they're like 20 to 30 bucks, and then you get to completely cut it out and design it however you want. So if you get a chance, try it. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. Like I said, like, comment, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. That way you can enter all of my giveaways that I do for every single month, and I will see you on the next one. Stay awesome, guys. Later.